AGRIRESEARCH is thrilled to welcome special guests from France. They are going to share their experience in biodiversity protection. We will also learn how agriculture could be done sustainably to save our nature.
So the AGRIRESEARCH I'm talking about, so we have a vision to make Rwanda's agriculture a less climate sensitive, reliable, environmental friendly, reliable economic sector. We know here in Rwanda, about 63% of the population to deliver livelihood from agriculture. So if we do change how the agriculture is being done, that means we are going to improve many livelihoods of farmers, including farmers, but the whole country as well. So doing and having this vision, we have the way to achieve this vision. In achieving this vision, what we do research, and extension. In the research, history indicates that without research, the technical progress couldn't have been reached. So that's why we try to make a research. We try to do a research in a way that the way research is being done. It is not reinforced here even not only in Rwanda, even in East Africa. So it is being done by there is, I don't know if I can call it a myth. Most of the people will think that research is being done by the doctors, PhD holders. Mm. But we have realized that doing research, it's all about passion. Having a passion, if you need to solve some of the problems, you can do it if you need to. So that's why we do research, and if we get innovation, we disseminate the innovation to the farmers, so to see if they can change the current farming system problems we have in here in Rwanda. So that's one of the ways we use to have a contribution to our country. So, and you said that's all about research, what they can add on how we do it, and the reason why we see the young people. So that means we try to install research culture in the youth. We've done, in the last year, we did a research for 3 topics. The first about fertilizers, the two about fertilizers, the other one is about the pesticides.
We can talk to you about what is now the situation in Europe, because you have to not do the same mistakes that we do in Europe. I just want to say you something. 100 years ago, we do normal agriculture with no pesticide, okay? Yeah. And since 100 years, we use a lot of pesticide and chemical products to increase the production of agriculture in Europe. It was very good because we can feed a lot of people for 100 years, something like that, or it's around that. But now we have a lot of problems, because the problem to use a lot of chemical products is that now the ground is poor. There is nothing inside. There is a lot of problems. We need to continue to put chemical products to have a lot of production. Okay? This is the first problem. The second problem is that we have in Europe. It is a big problem since 20 years that we lost a lot of insects. We lost 60 to 80% of the population of insects in Europe. So we lost to the life of the birds. This is tragical in Europe because we focus only about the production and we forget the nature, the organization of the nature. And now we have a big problem because we have to feed a lot of people with ancestral technique. We have to come back to the traditional technique. So we use a lot of engineer agronomes like you to produce more and more food, but now we have to come back with ancestral technique, but we lost this technique. The name of this technique, maybe you understand this technique, is like permaculture or agroculture, something like that. We use agroecology, okay? Because we deeply think that we have to stop to use these chemical products.
Yeah.
But we lost the technique how our grandmother and grandfather used to do agriculture. 100 years ago, it's like in Africa. Almost the people are agriculture, farmer.
Yeah.
But now, one farmer can do agriculture in a big land around 100 hectares. Hectare, you know what it is?
Yeah.
Superficie, okay.
Yeah.
Because he used a lot of chemical products, a lot of material, but he killed biodiversity. Totally killed the biodiversity. And we have a lot of problems in the Occidental culture, in America, in Canada, industrial culture, industrial country, because we feed a lot of people, but we kill nature and animals. So you have to really, really think about that before changing the agriculture in Africa.
Yeah.
Very important to understand. We have a lot of problems now in Europe. We don't know how to proceed right now, because we know that we have to stop to use chemical products.
Okay. You are the new generation coming in Rwanda, and your mission is to question what your father and grandfather did. Because if you continue, Einstein said, if you continue to do what have been done, you will get the same results.
Yes.
And we know that we've been making mistakes. We believed that pesticides and agrochemical industry was the solution when we started 50, 60, 70 years ago. And it increased the production, but the quality and the health, we have a very big health problem right now in Europe, all over Europe. And so now we are increasing organic bio agriculture. 5 years ago in France, it was 3% of all the land in France, 3%. Now it's close to 10% of the land.
Of the organic
agricultural land.
Okay.
Organic.
with no pesticide,
With no
chemical
pesticide.
products.
10%.
So
10%.
10%.
It was 0 10 years ago.
Close to 0. And so, but so your mission, your objective will be to question what you've been taught was right, and to understand why you need to do things differently. You have quotation all over the place, and the first quotation is, you have to do things differently.
Yeah.
Because if you continue to do what was done before, you will not make it better. Rwanda is a small country, as you know.
Yeah.
But you have to have a bigger picture, to get a bigger picture of what is done in the world. Do you know that 70% of all the agricultural field land is used presently for
Feed animals.
to feed animals, directly or indirectly. It means that whether you have cows eating the grass, whether you grow crop, vegetables, to feed animals that will be killed afterwards. So this is not sustainable.
Yeah.
Trying to make observations and see how things are, and try to find where problems are, especially because we are a developing country, which means that agriculture is a cornerstone of our economy. And our leader has also said that without agricultural development, there's no way our country could emerge as food secure or economically strong nation. And this is something we are doing. About protection of biodiversity, we have tried to think about it. In vision, we have one I can say that it is one line which says that we are striving to make Rwanda's agriculture environmental friendly. So we believe that by developing technologies, agricultural technologies, which are less harmful to environment and species, we will achieve that.
So we are really having something in common, and I really appreciate the experience you have shared with us. You know, we always believe European people, people in America, of course they are advanced more than us, but you have also made a mistake because you wanted to develop and become superpower, but you forgot about the nature. But if we take initiatives to protect our nature, as you said, agriculture is a key. If we limit the usage of chemicals, pesticide, we can also prevent the destruction of our nature. I have showed the project, the application we are developing in our association. It will help farmers use it is about the precision in agriculture because they have been using the large quantity of pesticide and chemicals because they are not aware of the exact quantity that they should be using. So if they use that tool in the future, it is in the same line of our mission to reduce the usage of those chemicals, which are of course distracting our environment. So I would like to close by thanking you for your initiative to come to join us and share experience with us. We have really learned a lot from you, and with the links you will provide, we hope to learn more than what we have learned today. Thank you.